Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to restore your PIN code in case you forgot it. So first thing you have to do in such case is press I forgot my PIN button right here, and if you don't see it, then just try entering your PIN code a couple of times, and if those attempts are incorrect, you will see the option between your between the field for the password. And once you press this option right here, once you select this option, you will see a window that says enter your password, or if you have a local account set up on your device, then you'll have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself when you made a password for your account. Now, if you don't remember the answers, then the only way to restore your account's PIN would be by reinstalling Windows on your computer. So if you don't know how to reinstall Windows from USB on your computer, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. Now, if you have a Microsoft account connected with your Windows account, then you'll simply have to enter the password to your account into the following field and press enter. And then you'll have to verify your identity by receiving either an email or an SMS, depending on what you connected to your device when you were creating the Microsoft account. So for example, in my case it's email, so I'm gonna select email, and then I'll receive a code which I have to enter into this field. So right now, give me a moment. So once you receive it, the code, just enter it into this field and then select verify, then continue, and then set up a new PIN code for your device. Make sure that you remember it this time, then confirm it in the following field, then click OK. And just after a moment you will regain access to your Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.